Okay, the next package we're going to look at here for navigation is Minimap, and we could see a preview of this, and this is the Minimap down the side. Notice that we're looking at a zoomed-in view of the code here, and down the side we have this Minimap display. Again, we could do the installation via command line or searching, and then there is more information about the plugin, including some customization options, integration. And then finally, we come down and we could see that this package doesn't have key bindings by default, but you could copy and paste these into your code to be able to use them. So again, if this is something that looks cool and helpful, let's take a look at how to install it, then you could play around with it a bit. So in the last package, we looked at how to install from within Atom. Now I'm going to show you the command line option. We could see that we could type apm install minimap. So I've got my terminal open here. It might look a little bit different than yours, but all you have to do is open up terminal and a new window, and you could type this command in anywhere. I'm going to type apm install minimap, and we'll see that run telling us that it's installing it, and then a little checkbox telling us it has been installed. And now if we come into Atom and I open up my settings with Command, comma, I'm going to come into my packages, and you'll notice that it does not show up here. It ran in the command line, but we're not seeing it here. And this introduces something in Atom that you may have to bug with a little bit, in that if you come up to the help and type reload, what this is going to do is reload the current window, and that will refresh the settings. So there is a shortcut for that as well that you could use. But once we refresh that, then we should see our package show up here. So that's just something that's a little bit buggy in Atom. People have commented on it. It's gotten slightly better, but you still might, if you're making updates and things and it doesn't look like it's working with packages or stuff like that, just run again. I find the easiest way, come up into help in the reload or the shortcut there, and you should see the problem resolved. So now that we have our Minimap here, let's open up our code. And we could see that it is showing by the side here. This code isn't super long, so it's not too bad. Here's another file, and we could scroll through here. If you know where you're looking, you could jump, and also you could configure how you want that and where. Some people like it on the left so that it flows a little bit better for them. But that is the Minimap package there. So since I don't use that a ton, I'm going to go ahead and just disable it. But if you like it, you could go ahead and play around with that.